Good luck to them. Now it's time for the Intense 5.
Number 5.
Look how we were just talking about Mariah and her boy toy last week. Can you believe said them left? It said that she was tired of minding him and he was jealous of her relationship with her ex-husband. Whatever the reason though, it is over. It done.
Number 4.
Still on the topic of exes, Riri and Drizzy Drake ended up at the same birthday party earlier this week. He stayed to one side and she stayed to the other side, but whatever, it just looked quite uncomfortable. Channel.
Number 3.
So, Donald Trump really didn't remember which country he bombed, yet he remembered the type of cake he was eating while the country was being bombed. Go figure. Selective memory, I guess.
Number 2.
Kurt Riley is no longer on the 95. Oh man, Kurt, we'll miss you.
For sure. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, United Airlines. No sir, we're not going too bad. After the man paid good money for him ticket, you drag him off the plane because you needed the seat. I never see so much memes in my life. Better than that, man.
I know.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember, we are on Facebook at facebook.com/TVJIntense.
And of course, keep up with us on the gram at TVJ Intense. Up next, a deep interview with conscience that you won't hear anywhere else.
Ooh.
Intense soon forward.